Hello. This week we will be reading Chapter 1 from Resonances. The specific module objectives this week are 1. Describe ways in which different cultures use music for medicinal, cultural, and recreational purposes. And 2. To challenge your previous conceptions of what music is and engage with ways other people and cultures have defined music. This chapter outlines music's cultural significance around the world and explores the space between what you might call sound and what you might call music. Don't be surprised if your position on that changes after you read this chapter and review the examples. Enjoy.